So these are the parts needed for the top right corner. Now when you look at it, it looks like the top left corner, but all of the references in the Piper instructions reference it from the back of the printer. So I'm continuing that. So this is the top right corner. First thing is a bearing. It's a roller skate bearing, and this is truly a roller skate bearing. I went to Goodwill and bought a set of roller skates for $2.50. Took the bearings out of it, and that's what I'm using. Just snap that right in. These are brackets, and they compress these legs onto the conduit. So you might have to squeeze that a little to get it in. And there you go, it just snaps on. I thought I would be able to use 1/2 inch screws on this, but you got to use 3/4 on these. The half just won't go through. You might be able to make them work, but it would be extremely difficult. I'm just holding that nut with my finger, and I'll just turn it on. Don't want to go too far, I just want to hold it. Now you take the other one, you do the same thing. There you go. Now, I did learn to make sure that if you're using 2 printers, they both print accurate. One of our printers print 2% under the size. We didn't find that out till we started printing these parts, half on one, half on another. We had to go back and redo some of them. So there is the completed part.